So, everybody, today we're going to be learning about the nature stuff we find up in Texas. So, you probably all are talking about the mushroom.
Line.
Or the fire ant. That basically was an invasive species and invaded us. Came from that. Welcome to part 2. So, 1 second. First of all, we have a native mushroom I found next to a tree. I took part of it off and I basically just took it in a bottle. That's it.
Okay, keep showing the bottles.
It's a kind of fungus that grows on trees, really anything that has a dead spot that it can grow on.
Okay. All right,
So
keep
let's
going.
put that to the side. So next we have the back of a snake shedding. You can find a bunch of them underneath houses and stuff that have higher grounds. And we found one right underneath the house right there behind our bush. And I took part of it off.
Daddy?
So let's just put that to the side. Daddy can tell you what kind of snake this is later in the video. Or comment down below if you know. So next up, I do not know what this is. Daddy, you can explain this one.
Oh, I think that's the fruiting body of a moss.
Daddy?
So a fruiting body of a moss. Daddy?
Do another bit.
So do you have any questions about this?
In the comments below.
Comment below if you have any questions. I'll answer them in the comments below too.
Okay, keep going. Keep going.
How good about
Shh.
pressing the thumbs up?
Here is a sample
Cut it.
of grass.
Okay.
I just, for some reason, got the idea
Let me see.
to put grass in there.
Actually, I think that's a little pine tree.
What? Part of a pine tree?
I think so. Okay, come back, Lyndon.
Anyways, I can show you where I got it from.
Oh,
Not interesting, huh?
no, it is interesting.
What?
It's icky.
Here we go. 3. This is, what kind of plant is this?
I think it's, what do they call it?
Chicken
Oh, I can't remember what it's called.
in the west, chicken in the bed. Okay, so this is something that my dad probably knows, but he can't remember it. Moving on. Where'd it go? Did you take it?
No.
So look, we have a chicken feather. Basically,
You want to see the chickens?
Here, I'll show you the chickens in part 4, maybe. So here's a chicken feather. I just found it in their cage, and I was like, I can put this in one of the samples.
They
And-
drop feathers.
They shed feathers almost every day. And here's our ones that we've gotten through right now. Comment down below if you know this one, or maybe any other the ones that we can't answer. This right here is some acid, maybe from mosquitoes, but also, did you know rain carries acid? Acid that's totally unprovised to hurt the human body, so you can still catch it on your tongue.
I guess so.
It's speaking.
But it still has mosquitoes in it.
Maybe.
So that's mosquito water?
I don't know what kind of water it is. Maybe
Probably-
the acid water.
Or
Next
it's
up,
oil.
you have to look super hard to see that little dead spider in there. That's
I know, I'll just see
a
it.
random jumping spider. We have a bunch of those up here.
I scooter.
Right here, Daddy, you can say what this is.
Oh, looks like a little bit of calcite.
Calcite. So we have it right here. That's calcite. We just found it crushed on the road. Don't know why.
Daddy, can I pass?
So right here is the belly of a snake shedding, which is the same one.
Hello.
So these two are a set because they both came from the same thing. So they're different
Okay.
parts.
Did I get in the video?
You did.
And then we have this fungus. Dad, you can say what fungus this is.
That's a lichen, which is a symbiotic relation. Hold it, I didn't get focused. Which is a symbiotic relationship between a fungus and an algae.
So basically,
Hello.
it basically, whenever it rains, it turns into actually like not that crumbly stuff that you find in cookies and stuff. It seems crumbly now.
And cookies.
Like cookies are crumbly. That's like what I mean.
I didn't know what you meant. Whatever.
So you can mostly find this on wood and other dead things like twigs and stuff. Here is some pieces of a leaf that I found that was from that tree.
From the magnolia tree?
Yep.
Did it
We
fall
haven't
on
met-
the ground?
Yeah, it went all the way over there.
How?
I don't know. Wind.
Probably because of wind.
Yeah. Here's a
Because
sample of
the,
dirt, which can hold.
About-
About this much of the dirt can hold about a million pieces of bacteria.
Or
It's
that.
but plants and other stuff can live on it because it takes the nutrients from that. So we have an example right here.
That.
It takes it and then it eats its own sugar that it makes.
Enough.
And it needs air, water, the dirt, and the sun to keep it all alive.
Give me about water.
Yeah, I said that. Here's a piece of shell. I'll show you which shell I accidentally cracked.
And then you use that.
Okay. Hello. Here's really the last remainings of it. Got crushed by my foot. I didn't even see it. That's
At
what it
least
came
you had
from.
shoes on.
So right here we have this. Here, I'll take it out so you can see it better. So, Daddy, I don't know this one, so you may know.
That's sorrel.
So this is
Wood sorrel.
Wood sorrel.
See the shoes over there? Those are linens.
So
I name it the one that's with the pink stuff named Linden. Those are her shoes. And you want to see me?
It's some examples of the fire ant. I killed 2 of them and put them in here. One of them's probably still moving. Daddy. Oh, this thing is very delicate. Same with the. So what is that?
Let me see.
I just found it on something.
Hold still,
on a
hold still.
stick.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
Put it in my hand.
Ah! Super delicate. I didn't keep it so easily. And I took a sample of it.
Ooh, I think.
A tiny shell?
I think it's a baby snail. A very young little snail.
Then why is it broke?
Well, I think it died.
Oh.
Here.
Poor snail, poor snail, poor snail.
A young snail.
Poor
So there's
snail.
that. I didn't even know that.
Snail.
3-leaf clover.
Nice.
I don't got really any other samples except for that one. I
Wait,
don't really have any other.
clover.
This is just one that I grouped all together. Right here, I do not know what this is. Neither does Daddy. Laurel doesn't know.
Maybe a piece of the old weed eater. Does it feel like plastic? I wonder if it's a piece of plastic from the weed eater.
What is a weed eater?
You know, they chop the weeds.
Then how did it come all the way here?
I don't know. All right.
Well, it definitely feels rubbery. We
Wait,
have
we probably used the
3
weed
more.
Yeah.
to get out the weeds. a garden.
So if you have brick tiling on your bathroom, you'll know what our bathroom looks like because it looks like that.
Oh, is that a piece of grout?
Yeah, I just found it. It was just laying, and I was like, ooh, I can sample that. You guys almost all know what this is. Try and guess. Try and guess. Try and guess.
Is it an agate?
No.
I can't even see it, so how can I guess?
You guess.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's a guessing
bird
game.
egg.
Why would I ever have that?
Well,
Where
you take
would
a
I
guess.
get one? Okay. I'll show you.
Something
It was
black?
a snail shell.
Oh, cool.
I was about to sell that.
No. I said, and I wanted you to finish the sentence.
Oh, snail.
No.
So it's a snail shell. The snail probably moved to a new one. Hey, I don't think they do. I guess it just died.
Or did it?
Very sad. And then the tapping of an acorn.
Laurel, no.
And that's it. That's it for today.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.